Hi guys, before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Brian Cristiano Parinding Fungsi Bidang, and today I'll explain about Paralympic sport event. 1. The bid process. The bidding process involves candidate cities competing to host the games. Beijing in 2008. Beijing won their bid for both the Olympic and Paralympic in 2001, with some human rights controversies in at the time. London in London in 2012. London won their bid in 2005. Their bid was praised for its strong focus on legacy and the regeneration of East London. Rio 2016. Rio de Janeiro won their bid in 2009. They were the first South American city to host. Rio beat Tokyo in the second round of voting for the 2016 bid. Tokyo in 2012. Tokyo won their bid in 2013. Their bid faced allegations of bribery and concerns over high cost. Number 2. Preparation including transportation, volunteer, medal impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Third, relay. Preparation for the games encompass physical aspect, infrastructure, medal, logistic, transportation, volunteers, and on-for recent circumstances such as a pandemic. Beijing in 2008 focus on massive new infrastructure development like the bird's nest and significant improvement to public transportation. Preparation went smoothly without major external disruption. London in 2012 stands out due to its focus on legacy, planning, and the urban regeneration of Starford. Public transport was permanently upgraded for better accessibility. Rio in 2016 faced financial and political challenge. New transportation facilities were completed on time, but accessibility outside the main venues remained an issue. Rio's medals were unique because they could production when second. Tokyo in 2012 12 20 held in 2021. Preparation were dominated by COVID-19 pandemic, which caused a 1 year delay. The implementation of strict health protocol and spectator bonds. Medals were made from recycled material and had tactile accessibility features. Next, aduh, next, the games including sport are there any new sport. The national team participating the number of athletes. His scale and scope of the Paralympic Games have grown consistently over the years. Beijing in 2008. The game has approximately 3,951 athletes from 148 countries competing in 2000 in 20 sports. This was a significant jump in participation from previous games, with an estimated cumulative TV audience of 3.8 billion people. London in 2012. London welcomed over 4,200 from a record 164 countries, also competing in 20 sports. The number of athletes increased in London, signaling the growing global appeal and participation in the movement. London, signaling Rio 2016, we were around 4,342 athletes from 159 countries competing in 2012 sports. This edition saw the introduction of two new sports, canoeing and para triathlon. Tokyo in 2020 and 20. The Tokyo Games featured approximately 4,400 athletes from 162 countries or regions competing in 2012 sport. The new sport introduced in Tokyo were badminton and taekwondo. The number of female athletes reached a new record high, highlighting progress in gender equality within the movement. Next, the medal summary. He medal table shows the consistency of China dominance and the close competing among other nations. Beijing in 2008, China dominant with 89 golds to 211, followed by Great Britain for 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 Rio in 2016. China continued the lead with 107 golds, 237 total medals. Great Britain was again in second place with 147 medals, 64 golds. Their best performance abroad, Ukraine was in the third place. Tokyo in 2020. China topped the table for the fifth consecutive time with 96 golds, 207 total. Great Britain was second again with 124 total medals and 41 golds. And the US third. Tokyo 2020 also recorded a record global participation with 93 countries winning at least one medal, indicating a wider spread of talent geographically. Next, the event schedule calendar. All games were held in the late summer, immediately following their respective Olympic Games, but the Tokyo delay is the only significant exception. Beijing 208 September 6 to 17 in 2008. London 2012 August 29 to September 9, 2012. Rio 2016 September 7 to 4 to 18 2016. Tokyo 2020, August 24 to September 5, 2021. Okay, difference. The first three games followed the traditional schedule pattern held in the same calendar years at the Olympic Tokyo 2020 was the first Paralympic Games in modern history to be postponed to the following year. This delay disturbed the global athlete training cycle and caused major logistical challenge in rescheduling 539 medal events. Next, the venue. The strategy for venue use varied between building new and reaching, with a focus along two-term legacy. Beijing in 208. Beijing built spectacular new facility, many of which remain in use for sporting events and tourism. Each e.g. the Bird News became a venue for the 2022 Winter Olympics. London in 2012. London is a prime example of urban regeneration planning. Almost all venues were designed for post-games use, either by portal demolition, like the Aquatic Center, or conversion of their primary fun, function. The Olympic Stadium became London Stadium. The Olympic Park area is a now major public park and housing development center. Rio at 2016. Rio's venues were clustered environment areas that focus sustainably. Mean 93% of the permanent venues are still in use, although some major facilities suffered damage due to maintenance issues. After the games ended, Tokyo in 2020, Tokyo used a two-zone model, the Heritage Zone, reducing venue from the 1964 Tokyo Olympic and the new Tokyo Bay Zone. This strategy maximized the use of existing infrastructure and minimized unnecessary new construction, ensuring the viability of facilities in the future. Next, this photo, Beijing 2008. To London 2000 and 2016. This Rio de Janeiro 2000. Oh, in London 2012. Rio 2016. Tokyo 2020. Next, 7. The marketing, including logo, mascot, animate shorts. Marketing strategy have evolved to be more inclusive and leverage digital platforms. Beijing 2008. The mascot was Fu New Lele, a cheerful cow representing the harmonious coexistence of man and nature and the concepts of transcendence, equality, and integration. The logo was a calligraphic representation of a person in motion. London in 2012, the mascot was Mandeville, a character designed to represent friendship. The marketing campaign, particularly by Channel 4 in the UK, was groundbreaking and widely credited with changing public attitudes towards disability, focusing on superhumans to inspire awe and respect. Rio in 2016. The mascot was Tom, a magical creature that could pull anything from its lively head. Representing the richness of the Brazilian flora. The marketing focused on the natural world and the vibrant culture of Brazil. Tokyo 2020. The mascot was Someti, a futuristic character with tactile sponsor inspired by cherry blossoms. Tokyo 2020 also introduced animate sport pictograms for the first time in Olympic and Paralympic history, showcasing each sport with complete motion patterns across digital platforms. Next, 7. Egg. The broadcast coverage has seen exponential growth driven by has broadcaster setting new standards and new technologies. Beijing in 208 achieved a 10 record cumulative TV audience of 3.8 billion people. The total broadcast time increased by 200% from Athens 208. London 2008. London 2012 set a new benchmark for coverage channel for in UK. The has broadcaster produced over 50,050 hundred hours of coverage with deliver 141% more viewer than the Beijing Games. Their innovative approach with presenter who were disabled was revolutionary. Rio in 2016 broke the London record with an estimated 4.1 billion cumulative viewer broadcaster globally increased their commitment and airtime for the games. Tokyo 2020 broke all previous records with an estimate global cumulative audience around 4.25 billion people. Japan's broadcaster NHK led the way with over 540 hours of coverage planned, more than any previous host nation. The significant increase was also due to expansion of digital platform with which provided thousands of hours of live sport coverage to fans worldwide. 9 Next 9, the concern and controversies. Each game faced unique challenges and controversies, both internal and external. Beijing in 2008 controversies primarily involved human rights issues and political protest surrounding China's hosting of the event. There was also intense debate in countries like Japan about the political implication of the growing regional cloud. London in 2012. The London Games are widely considered to have had very few major controversies, especially concerning the Paralympic. The focus was predominantly on the positive social impact and legacy of the events. Rio 2016. The main issues were led to the surface economic and political situation in Brazil. There were significant concerns about project delay, financial shortfalls that appeared to prioritize the Olympics over the Paralympics, and the public health scare of the Zika virus. Tokyo 2020. The Tokyo Games faced numerous multifaceted controversies, including organizational issues, allegation of bribery in the bid process, in dialogue plagiarism claims, and illegal overwork of constructor construction laborers. Healthy and safety. Major concern regarding the COVID-19 pandemic, which for the delay, potential radiation from the Fukushima disaster, and extreme summary heat. Political issues. Issues regarding maps showing disputed territories as part of Japan, and a refusal to ban the rising sun flag at Venus were also to uh, points of contention. Uh, Thank you for my presentation. Bye bye.